Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to use sendit on the Snapchat. So if you want to use the sendit on the Snapchat in 2023, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store, and after that you have to search for the sendit mobile application. Like I search for sendit, and once you will do it, after that you have to download and install this application in your phone. Once you will do it, after that simply you have to open it on your phone. Now here you will see multiple formats to use this. Let's post a pic of and click on the play, and it will redirect you to the Snapchat. Now click a picture. As you can see, it's here. Now you can simply share it with your friends. After that, when your friends respond to this send it question, click on the send it, and after that on the bottom you will see inbox option. Here you will get all the answers. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.